Chipotle
Okay, so
ginger.
this is one of my favorite
Chickpea tacos.
vegan-ish meals. So I took some onions and some peppers or whatever, had them going. Then I took 2 cans of chickpeas from Aldi, and then I be rubbing them to get the little skinny skin off. Cause I mean, why would you be on there? We know why they on there, but I don't like all that. It's not perfect every time, but I go ahead and add those. And then this actually don't look appetizing now that I'm watching the video back, but that's ginger. And then I took some Chipotle barbecue for some little flavor from Quaker Steak and Lube. And look at that. Look at that. Nice little seasoning. But I always take some vegetable broth and I go ahead and get all of that goodness off the bottom of the pan. But it's also to make it like a little saucy. So it's not just seasoning. Add a little juice in there. Make it stretch a little bit. And then I love corn. But I took 2 ears of corn. And I cut it off and I put it on there. Sweet corn, of course. Then I just put these on some regular tortillas. I'm very much an onion girl, so I gotta put raw onions on there too with some jalapenos. It's mad simple. You can add lettuce and stuff, but I wasn't on that vibe. And then I gotta add some little hot sauce on